completely white. It's snowing. Look at that. So cool. I don't have makeup today because I'm going to be working out. I'm working out today, and then after that we have a jazz club thing. I'll shower and then do my makeup. It's snowing pretty bad, and we just did solid core. It's snowing. What time is it? 35. So 6 minutes. You want to again?
Yes. Take the breeze. Show the out, it's cool. That's all I do. I wanna be a billionaire.
So freaking bad.
I love the things I never had.
Oh, every time I close my eyes.
You're not gonna attack me. Mask, bandit mask. Combining crocodile jaws, human eyes, and nose, antelope ears and horns, and a chameleon, this hybrid weapon. Oh.
Like,
Oh.
our medical people would use it.
Yeah.
Put roses in there and stuff. So.
Yeah, roses.
Yeah, or herbs. Something that they can smell.
Herbs. Something they can smell. You hungry?
He's so quiet.
No.
For some reason.
I got snacks.
Listening to Chinese.
Where did they go? I lost them. We're at the Japanese culture area. Wardrobe. How did they reach the top? The Ming Dynasty, late 16th or early 17th century. Wood with inlay of mother of pearl, amber, glass, ivory, and other materials. If they were short, how would they reach the top? Like, and I'm considered tall.
She's 5'4".
I'm considered a tall Asian.
You know there's such thing as ladders, right?
Yeah,
Stools.
but the thing is all the way up there.
Yeah, you don't think they made it down here and they just put it up?
You're right. I think you're right. You're smart, baby. I wanted to go into this place, but then he didn't want to. He wanted to go to the other room, but the other room was already nothing. He just walked past everything. And then when he went, and then coming into here, he just left me. Oh, wow. He just left me. And so I was so annoyed because he was about to go into this room without me, even though I really wanted to go do it. So annoyed. I was so pissed. This one is so cool. It's like up there. It's so intricate. Look how tiny these are. Like, can you imagine the amount of detail that has to go into these? Crazy. Or even this one, it's ivory. Wow, this one's 21 degrees Celsius. I can't believe they keep each artifact under a certain degree to preserve everything. Oh, he's doing it. wonder how long these things takes to make.
Probably like 10 years.
Yeah. And I wonder how many people work on this.
I wonder how long it took them to bring it all the way here.
Yeah. Oh, do you think it's like pieced together? You're getting good at this stuff. Whoa. What are these red marks? Oh, they're both U's. You can turn it off. Where do you think the lasers are? For everything in here when they close. They must have lasers, right? Because if you look up, I don't see any lasers. Unless it was all in the movies. Right and right. Straight up now,
Zach?
tell me, do you really want
Where are
to
you?
love me forever?
Taking 4 at the gift shop.
Are you sad?
Why?
Because you're not getting a dragon?
No.
Oh, okay.
What?
How would you rate your New York trip? We're on our last day.
It was fun. 10 out of 10 blizzard.
10 out of 10 blizzard.
Yeah.
You were dry the entire time except for your shoes. Look at this white fit. Wow. Wow. Strike a pose. 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 Headshot. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. So we're like on our last day. We're at the Met. We're about to leave the Met. We're just waiting for Zach convention. And yeah, they're gonna drop us off at our hotel because our flight was canceled and was rebooked for tomorrow. We were supposed to leave today at 5, but was rebooked and canceled. So then we have to get another hotel. And Zach convention are leaving tonight to go back to Saratoga. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out, and we chose this specific hotel because they have an airport shuttle, and we have like 2 checked bags, 1 carry-on, 1 personal item, and like technically 2 other personal items. Oh, and he's like pointing at himself. So, well, you can say it. You have a mic.
That's why we have it.
And we're also like group 1. I think our first flight to North Carolina. We were like our first flight, we were group number 1, and we were the only people in group number 1. And then right now we're group 6, but then when we check in, we're gonna be group number 1 again. I just know it.
Members discount? Where's your ticket? Oh, we're on the Brooklyn Bridge. That's the Brooklyn Bridge.
Oh, okay. My phone's gonna die.
Did you guys go to the store and just buy that?
She did, yeah.
Yeah.
I knew you were.
We're on our flight, going to our flight to Miami and then LA. And it's 6:10 a.m.
Aber die haben Ziel ausgebucht.
We're at the air train station, and we are Terminal 8.
I don't really understand air trains.
I guess it is free. Is it free?
I think it is. Yeah, they
Oh
just
yeah, because
go
of
around.
construction.
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay.
I doubt it.
I think it might be free. Actually, I don't know.
I think they're all free.
No.
I think a lot of places have air trains.
Confused. I'm not really confused, but okay.
Thanks for choosing American. Have a good balance of your day.
We are back to the same terminal that we started at. We were here when we first left to New York. We're back in LA.
So happy to be
Literally today, I just got bombarded with a bunch of emails that I have to do.